20 signs she has a crush on you. She smiles and blushes when she sees you. She tries to find excuses to be near you. She plays with her hair or fixes her clothes when she's around you. She laughs at your jokes, even if they're not funny. She remembers small details about you and brings them up in conversation. She makes eye contact with you sometimes for longer periods than usual. She leans in when you talk and appears interested in what you have to say. She compliments you frequently, both on your appearance and on your personality. She gets jealous when she sees you talking to other girls. She tries to find common interests to bond over. She asks you about your day and genuinely seems to care. She follows you on social media and likes your posts. She initiates conversation with you, even if it's just simple greeting. She touches you gently on the arm or shoulder when she talks to you. She invites you to do things with her or suggests activities that she knows you like. She listens attentively when you talk and remembers things you've said in the past. She makes an effort to look good when she knows she'll be seeing you. She gets nervous around you and might fidget or stutter. She invites you into her personal space and shares personal stories with you. She talks about you to her friends and seems excited when they mention your name. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that post notification bell. See ya.